Hi. In this tutorial, I will make a straight-through Ethernet cable with 568B standard. So, the secret of straight-through Ethernet cable is configuration of pin and wire must be same both sides. Like example, side 1 and side 2, or side A or side B. So what is the color configuration? First pin is orange, white. Second pin is orange. Third pin is green, white. Fourth pin is blue. Number 5 pin is white, blue, and 6 is green, 7 is brown white, 8 is brown, and same configuration should be in side 2 or side B. So if we configure with this color code, then it will be a successful um, Ethernet cable with 568B, and of course it's straight through Ethernet cable. So here number 1 is white orange, number 2 is orange, number 3 is white green, 4 is blue, 5 is white blue, 6 is green, and 7 is white brown, and 8 is brown, and same here. So what we need to make an Ethernet cable, we need climper, we need something like this, we need RJ45 connector, we need a sharp something to cut a cable cover, and of course we need Ethernet cable, Cat 5 or Cat 6 or Cat 7, Cat 5e. Like this cable is Cat 6, category 6 UTP cable. So how to configure? No, just I will this cover jacket. This is the cover jacket. So this is twisted pair, 1 twisted pair, 2 twisted pair, 3 twisted pair, and 4 twisted pair. So at first I will cut the cable support, then I will untwisting it. I will untwisting it. Okay. Okay. So what color code combination should be? What I said a preamble of this video. Okay, this first color should be orange white. The second wire is orange. Number 3 white green. Number 4 blue. Number 5 white blue. Number 6 green. Number 7 white brown, and number 8 brown. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we see that color combination, color configuration is totally okay. So now I am cutting this part. Okay. Orange, orange white, orange, green white, then blue, then blue white, then green, then brown, brown white, and brown. Okay. Now we should check that every pin set up precisely. Yes, everywhere pin, everything set up precisely. Okay, now I am going to punch it with clamping tool. Okay, part 1. Side 1 done. Now side 2. So at first I will cut this part. Then I will configure the same color code what I did side 1 or side A. So green, orange, white, orange, then green, white, green, white, then blue, then blue, white, then green, and number 7 is brown, white, and number 8 is brown. So what I say that configuration is, cable configuration is correct. Yes, cable configuration is correct. So now just now we should look at that pin raise. This last area of this connector or the 45 connector. Okay. And it's done. Now I will check that is it working or not with my laptop.